Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. We're going to start by blending syllables. So let's get our clapping hands ready. I'm going to say the word parts and then you repeat them and then we'll blend the word. Quiet. Quiet. Recess. Recess. Napkin. Napkin. Blister. Blister. Children. Children. Super. Super. Mountain. Mountain. Good job. All right, let's get ready to punch out some ending sounds. The first word is hen. Hen. Ox. Ox. Rope. Rope. Cab. Cab. Buzz. Buzz. Pick. Pick. Less. Less. And the last one is duck. Duck. Good. Now I'm going to say a word and then I want you to clap it into syllable parts. So the first word is snowing. Let's clap it. Snowing. Good. Flower. Flower. Laughter. Laughter. Mother. Mother. Pencil. Pencil. Market. Market. And the last one is finish. Finish. All right, get your fists ready. We're going to do phoneme substitution. The first word is hush. Change h to fl. Flush. The word is pot. Change p to sl. Slot. The word is love. Change l to gl. Glove. The word is cuff. Change k to bl. Bluff. The word is rug. Change r to pl. Plug. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part, the rhyme, and we're going to add the beginning sound, the onset, and put them together to make a new word. The word is an. Add pl to the beginning. Plan. The word is ick. Add sl to the beginning. Slick. The word is I. Add fl to the beginning. Fly. The word is am. Add cl to the beginning. Clam. The word is of. Add gl to the beginning. Glove. Good. Okay, last exercise, we're deleting phonemes. So we'll say the word and then we're going to remove the beginning consonant blend sound. The word is pledge. Without pl, the word is edge. The word is slam. Without sl, the word is am. The word is blink. Without bl, the word is ink. The word is clock. Without cl, the word is awk. The word is glitch. Without gl, the word is itch. Good job.